This is Karma has been created with you in mind. It's the first programme of its kind in the UK dedicated to supporting the health and well-being of entrepreneurs on their business journey. So over the 3 modules, we'll explore what it means to manage your well-being in business, what it means to manage the different functionalities of your business with your well-being at the heart of it, and also managing relationships to help take your business to the next level.
The content was really engaging. I learned lots of new tools and techniques that I can use to keep myself motivated, look after my well-being.
I'm going to show you how to simplify social media, get it working for your business so you can generate more sales, more inquiries and more business.
You will be taken on a step-by-step journey on how to develop your business, identify your talents and niche, build partnerships and create a scalable business.
Because it's a great way of developing new tools and techniques to give your well-being a boost, but also learn from each other. I've already learned loads of things today that I'm going to embed into my practice, simple strategies but really powerful ones.